Hey, welcome back. This is Kevin, and today I'll be showing you how to build a voice AI agent in 5 to 10 minutes. And for this, I'm going to be using the Leaping AI platform. Leaping AI is a platform that allows mid-sized companies and enterprises to have voice AI agents to automate repetitive phone calls. And the agent that I'm going to be building today is a Medicare lead qualification agent. So the example customer that this could be for is a Medicare or Affordable Care Act ACA agency that receives a lot of phone calls and signs people up for Medicare. And often the first thing that they have to do is to pre-qualify this customer. To what extent, is this person even eligible for Medicare? And these companies currently lose a lot of time talking to these unqualified customers that don't even meet the eligibility requirements. And so the agent that we are going to be building today is a voice AI agent that can pre-qualify a lead and then only transfer those that are eligible to a licensed insurance broker. So this is the platform that I'm going to be working in today. I'm going to press this button, create agents, test or demo Medicare agents. Going to be giving it a description, test agent, and I'm going to press create. So what I can see here is a couple of nodes, and it seems like the conversation is divided into conversation steps, with each one being its own conversation node, where you can put LLM prompts. So I'm going to go right in here. This seems to be a system message. So you are a AI representative for this ACA, Affordable Care Act agency called Acme Agency. You pre-qualify leads for ACA. What we can then do is go into the first node. And a scripted node is a node that will speak the exact words as they're typed in here. So, hi, this is Mark. Are you calling in to sign up for Affordable Care Act? All right, now we have a dialogue node. A dialogue node essentially, it does not say exactly what you put in there, but more you describe the job that is supposed to be done in the prompt, and it will try to find its own words to fulfill that job. So we're going to ask some questions. Ask a couple of pre-qualifying questions to the customer below. Only and ask one question at a time. Wait for an answer before moving on to the next question. Never just acknowledge an answer, but always move on or clarify a response. And so these are just prompt engineering techniques that I have personally learned in the last 1.5 years being in voice AI. Always be asking questions. All right, so then we can define the questions, and we're just going to have 2 for now. I am going to be asking you some questions to determine eligibility. Are you already on Medicare or Medicaid? And are you older than 65 years old? if customer has answered these questions, call the transition transfer. A transition is essentially a condition that describes to the LLM when it should transition out of this node to another node. So customer has answered all questions. All right, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to be routing to a human. Hold the line, transferring you to a colleague now. And what we're actually going to do is to drag a call transfer node in here, where we have the ability to route the call to a human. I'm just going to enter my own number. Actually, I'm going to enter a random number. But it could be that the customer is not qualified. If the customer already has Medicare or Medicaid, or he is older than 65 years old, call the transition not qualified. And so this is also something we can define here at the bottom. So if, let's say, the customer is 67 years old, he would not be eligible for Affordable Care Act, and we just want to end the call. So, oops, we can say not qualified. It seems, unfortunately, you are not eligible for Affordable Care. Thanks for the patience. Goodbye. So this is it. We have set up the basic conversation dynamics. I can just press save. And here in the settings, I can configure some other details, like what language I want to actually have. And in this case, it's English. And also what voice. So I'm going to actually select another voice, Mark Natural from 11 Labs. And let's see. So I published the agent successfully. And now if I click deploy, I should be able to select the phone number. And once I deploy to this phone number and I call it up, it should speak to me. Right, let's call it up.
Hi, this is Mark. Are you calling in to sign up for Affordable Care Act? Hello. I'm here to help determine your eligibility for the Affordable Care Act. To get started, can you please
Actually, because we're already asking this question at the beginning, are you calling to sign up for Affordable Care Act? Change this to user speaks first, so we actually wait for the user reply. So let me just try again. All right, trying again.
Hi, this is Mark. Are you calling in to sign up for Affordable Care Act?
Yes, it seems like that.
Great. To get started, I need to ask you a few questions to determine your eligibility. Are you already on Medicare or Medicaid?
No, I'm not. Actually, I would like to sign up. That's what I'm calling in for.
Perfect. Next question. Are you older than 65 years old?
Yes, I'm already 70 years old.
It seems unfortunately you are not eligible for affordable care. Thanks for the patience. Goodbye.
All right, as we've seen, this AI agent is able to take the calls and disqualify me based on my requirements, and we built this all within 10 minutes. Goodbye.